Okay, Mom, let's hear it.
See.
See.
That was really it. That was saying it. Does that count?
And then Bella comes along, blows the competition out of the water.
I'm like,
And you're sitting up so nice and pretty for it.
Is that? That's more than halfway, isn't it?
Yeah.
nice try, Joe.
I need soda.
Apple cider's not cutting it.
Chug a couple Mountain Dews. Beer really makes you burp.
Yeah.
Beer is like the ultimate belching juice.
Haley.
Beer is scary because it just like, it's an overflowing of burps.
That's all I can do.
Yeah.
It builds up and then I get really big ones.
If Kyla and I kiss a lot, I'll burp. It's like taking an air.
Seriously?
You can ask her.
You breathe through your mouth when you kiss?
Yep.
A lot?
Enough to burp, apparently.
Are you blowing in his mouth?
I don't think Mom gets this. Like,
It's a long one. That was dumb.
Oh.
I freaking headache so I get burped.
Nope, I think the rest is for you guys.
Oh, I saw air, Bella. I've got lots of air in me. It's gonna come up eventually.
I know, me too. Hopefully it doesn't come out the other end.
Not tonight.
Yeah. We're just sleeping on that end tonight. And tomorrow night.
Yeah.
And you sleep on
can't do it.
that end.
I'm so close. I can like almost feel it.
Intake air.
I have been.
Can you swallow air though? Can you make a lump go down? Like you.
I do like to try to get rid of my
drop will
hiccups.
go out.
No, it doesn't work.
But you know, actually probably shouldn't say this when you're recording.
Well, there goes that.
Hello, Chris.
Now I'm gonna be able to.